Welcome to fundinfo's self-service data feed, a unique and powerful way for fund distributors to access the latest data and attributes of over 90,000 share classes from more than 500 fund houses, directly from the fundinfo cloud. Our data feed is accessed through a simple, self-service web interface, allowing easy configuration and download of customized fund information in CSV or zipped CSV format. All fund data conforms to the openfunds standard for the characterization of investment funds. Visit openfunds.org for complete details about the openfunds standard. Fund data refers to the large number of attributes used to describe an investment fund, such as fund name, fund currency, ISIN, fund manager, fund domicile, etc. Currently, over 200 attributes may be associated with a single share class. The data feed also delivers, amongst others, cost breakdown and target market data, helping you meet MiFID II and PRIIPs regulations. Fundinfo receives the latest fund data directly from over 500 fund houses. After validation and quality control, the data is uploaded to the Fundinfo cloud, where service providers, fund distributors, and fund platforms can directly configure and access the customized feed of fund data. After logging into Data Feed, click on Create to create your first feed. As an example, we'll name this one My First Feed. The first page of the feed configuration now appears. The first three fields are used to configure the fund houses, share classes, and data IDs that you are interested in. The Select Fund Groups field opens a menu where you may select one or multiple fund houses that you are interested in. For each one selected, all of their share classes will be added to your feed. You may choose and receive data from any combination of over 500 fund houses hosted on Fundinfo's database. The Paste Share Class field allows you to type or paste in a list of specific ISINs that you are interested in. Alternatively, the gear icon on the right gives you the option to upload a list of ISINs in CSV or Excel format. Now that we have selected all the ISINs that we want, we choose the data fields we would like to receive. Clicking in the Select Data Fields box opens a scrollable menu where you can choose which data fields you are interested in. The field definitions are based on openfunds, and therefore you will also find openfund data IDs. The final parameter lets you choose the frequency of the data file production. You can choose between daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly updates. Page 2 is optional. It allows you to apply additional filters to your selection based on high-level criteria such as fund domicile, filtering out only ETFs or fund of funds, or even filtering out only those funds that are registered for sale in particular countries. The final configuration page gives you options to format the feed output, as well as designate IP addresses that are authorized to receive your feed. You may choose to receive an email when your feed is ready for download. It will include a download link. We're finally ready to generate our feed. Click on Save to store all your feed preferences, and then click on Download Sample. The first 10 lines of your feed will be provided instantly for download, as a confirmation that your feed request has been accepted. Once the entire feed is ready, it will be available via the first two URLs listed under Files. The first is a CSV file, the second is a zipped version of the CSV file. To make our data feed service user-friendly, Fundinfo provides a cost-free data feed Power Query solution. This lets you automatically populate an Excel workbook directly from your feed. For a demo and instructions, see the links in the description below this video. To try DataFeed free of charge, visit datafeed.fundinfo.com and register for a basic user account. This will allow you to create feeds based on a selection of fund houses and fields for evaluation purposes. If you require more fields or ISINs than are available in the free version of DataFeed, please email us